Guys, this platform you are seeing right here claims to pay you 1000 naira immediately you sign up on this platform. So in this video, I'm going to review this platform and try it and register maybe if I will really receive this 1000 naira. And I tried to register on the platform and I received the 1000 naira, and I also tried to try the platform out and I earned another extra 50,000 naira for myself, which I withdraw to my own account. So in this video, I'm going to review this platform for you, if the platform is legit or scam, if the platform is a platform that you can try and also make money for yourself. I'm going to review everything for you. So make sure you watch this video to the end, because in this video, I'm going to show you guys everything you need to know about this platform. My true honest review about this platform, I'm going to show you guys. First of all, let's get started by the interface of the platform. When you come to the interface of the platform to sign up, you are going to see it like this. And to sign up, it's going to ask you for your phone number, your password, and your confirmation password, and also your withdrawal password. So now I want to fill out this information and show you guys how this really works. If really I will also receive even the 1000 naira they promise that they are going to pay when you sign up on this website. So I want us to try it out together and fill out this information and see if they will really pay us the money. Now let's me fill out this information and register and show you guys if really we will receive this money in our balance. So I just successfully registered a new account right now, and after I registered the new account on this platform, this pop up and it says welcome to mobile, sign up, receive 1000 naira daily income, daily withdrawal for all plans, invite members to join and earn up to 30% commission. According to the platform, this is what I saw immediately I registered on the platform. Now let me cancel it. Now as you can see, now as you can see the interface of the platform here. Now before that, let me click on my here. When I click on my, so that I will check my balance if really I receive this money on my balance. The 1000 naira, they promise that immediately you sign up, you are going to receive it. Now this is the money. I just received the 1000 naira as they promise that they will pay you immediately you sign up in this platform. But the question is, how can you make money in this platform, or is this platform legit, or can you withdraw this 1000 naira to your own account? Now I'll be doing my honest review about this platform and also how I tried this platform and how the platform paid me. Yes, I tried this platform days ago and it paid me 50,000 naira. Yes, as you can see, this is how I placed my withdrawal from the platform of 50,000 naira, and after I withdraw this money, I receive the money in my balance. This is the money I receive. But before you jump into conclusion on trying this platform, I want you to watch this video to the end and see my honest review about this platform, if this platform is legit or not. If this platform is legit that you can try or not, make sure you watch this video to the end. Never you skip any part, because I'm going to review a lot of things about this platform that you don't know. So make sure you watch this video to the end. Now, looking at the interface like this, that they are going to pay you 1000 naira to your own account. This 1000 naira, you cannot withdraw it. That is a first sign in this platform. Giving you this amount of money is very big, and you cannot also withdraw the money. So make sure you pay attention very well, because I'm going to review a lot of things about this platform, my honest review about this platform. Now it says you are going to be giving 1000 naira immediately you sign up, and after we sign up a new account, we receive the 1000 naira in our balance. But the problem is this money cannot be withdrawn. Let me show you why I say this money cannot be withdrawn. Now when you come to the home page here and you click on withdraw, they are going to ask you to set up your payment information. So you can use any bank. So you can use any bank account number and withdraw your money. Now let me try my fill out bank account number. After I fill out details, I'm going to show you what is going to tell you when you want to withdraw from this platform. If you want to withdraw the 1000 naira. Now let me put my account number. Now I've successfully linked my account balance. Now I've successfully linked my bank account. Now the next thing, let's go back to the home page again. After going back to the home page, I'll click on withdraw. Now when I click on withdraw, as you can see, it says withdrawal instruction here. Now, as you can see, minimum withdrawal amount is 1,600 naira. So that means the 1,000 naira that they gave to you, you cannot withdraw it. And the withdrawal time is from 9 o'clock to 17 p.m. That is from, if you calculate it, that will be around 5 o'clock in the evening. And as you can see, this is their withdrawal instruction. So following by the withdrawal instruction, it says that you cannot withdraw the 1,000 naira from this platform. So before you can withdraw money or you can make money on this platform, you need to invest on this platform. Now, let me show you there are different type of package which you can invest on before you can make money on this platform. And I'll also tell you more things you need to know about this. Now, looking at their first plan here, it says that you invest 8,000 naira and you'll be making 1,600 naira for yourself every day, and in total you'll be making 240,000 naira. That is in 150 days. As you guys can see, in 150 days, if only you can invest 8,000 naira. So every blessed day you'll be making 1,600 naira, and in total you'll be making 240,000 naira. Now, as you can see, they also have second plan here, which is going for 30,000 naira, and you'll be making 7,500 naira, and in total you'll be making this amount in 150 days. So you guys can see how this platform is, how their plan is. I am not okay with this their plan, because how can you invest 30,000 naira and make over 1 million naira in 150 days? This is a red flag that I'm not okay with. So as you can see, this is their first package also, which says 8,000 naira and you'll be making 240,000 naira. It's a big red flag. So you guys should be very careful with this kind of platform. Now they also have their VIP level here, which says 35,000 naira. So this one is not even open here, so I don't need to explain much about this. So you guys can see their plan here. This is their plan that says you earn money. And looking at their plan here, I am not okay with it. But meanwhile, I'm not a financial advisor, neither am I the one who created this platform. I am not the one who created the platform. I just came online, I was searching online, and I saw the platform. I saw a lot of people talking about the platform, and I decided to check it out. I tried it some days ago, and I decided to make a review about this platform and see how the platform is working, if the platform is really legit or not. So if you are okay to try out the platform, you can try it. But if you are trying out the platform, make sure you note that you are trying the platform at your own risk. I am not advising you to do anything on this platform. I am not a financial advisor. This video is for educational purpose. So make sure you make your own proper research before you do anything investment online. Now, when you click on their invite here, also it says that invite people and you earn commission. So invite members to join and earn commission. Now, when you click on teams here, this is where you are going to see people you are invited. If you have invited people, this is where you're also going to see it. Now, when you click on my here, this is where you are going to see your balance, your income, all the money you have made from this platform. So guys, looking at the interface of the platform and everything about this platform, I am not giving you any guarantee that you are going to be making massive money from this platform. But you can try it at your own risk. If you are okay with it, you can try it. But I've made my own review and my experience with the platform. This is what I have to tell you. So if you are okay with it and you want to try it out, you can try it out. But if you are not okay with it, you can leave it. Meanwhile, if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel, I am Nupe Flavor TV. In this channel, we teach you how you can make massive income with your smartphone or with your laptop. So if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you want to be getting latest videos like this about a review platform that pays or not, on how you can be making massive income for yourself every blessed day, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you will also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on my next video.